There's a difference between, let's call it marketing driven journey orchestration and customer driven journey orchestration, right? And I think you're, the marketer that either thinks they know what all the steps are going to be or hopes that they know, they're hoping for the best. They're hoping that there aren't any edge cases or anything like that. That's was really the first iteration of all of it. It's really just kind of a build out of marketing automation, maybe on a single channel, right? But I think what you're talking about is kind of that next step, which is a little more customer driven. Is that right?
Yeah, 100%. So yeah. To make it more customer driven, we're basically we need to kind of like to allow each customer to plot their own path, right? Yeah. So the way we think about this problem, we're saying, okay, great. And Optimove also contains in our platform, we do have a journey builder as well. We call it the stream builder, that's how we call it. But so we do allow marketers to use that technique. But what we're saying while they're doing that, we're taking kind of like let's call it a little bit like an air traffic control type of a view to the whole problem. And we're saying, imagine your campaign layout or your marketing program with all the campaigns and all the interactions, all the messages you intend to run in the current week. Think about that like an airport. And, you got multiple flights coming in and out. You got specific lanes that you need to fill, and you need air traffic control to basically, sync and manage and orchestrate all of that thing, right? So it's kind of like in sports, maybe like the quarterbacks, right? Yeah. So like the Mahomes of your marketing. And with that, the way we think about it is we're saying, okay, the marketer is gonna pitch and build many interactions, many campaigns, and those will so there's gonna be a message from the welcome journey. There's gonna be a message about a new product coming in. There's gonna be a message about maybe Mr. Customer, we're about to lose you, so kind of like a churn prevention type of a message. There's going to be a message about your birthday. There's multiple message all the time. And those messages are basically, each one of them has a list of eligibility. So you got customers who are actually eligible to receive this message. But the individual client can be eligible to a few different things on a given day. Yeah. And the way we solve the problem, now we're going to use AI, and so this is our air traffic control. We're going to say out of the 5 messages that Pini is eligible for today, which subset is he going to see? Am I going to choose just one of the 5 to? So in the example we gave before, Pini should get the message from the call center, right? Saying, hey, we understand something happened. We apologize. The manager is going to call you tomorrow to learn more. So that's what we want to say. We don't want to say, hey, here's a new thing you should buy after you're super pissed, right?
Right.
So in the AI would pick up on that and would choose the best message for every customer every time. So from rule-based marketing, you're moving into what we call AI mapped journeys. And that's essentially how we think about it. When you do it like that, and you take a global view of all the campaigns that actually want to run, and you basically let the campaigns fight for the customer, right? So each campaign or all the campaigns together, they're basically competing on and the AI would look at the historical data and say what works better for who, and would choose the best thing for every customer every time.
Yeah.